Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to show you how to add an additional line from a column value in DataChamp. So let's dive right in. First, let's create a new report by clicking on the New Report button. Then let's choose Orders, and then click Browse, and add the column SKU from Order Inline Items. Next, let's add a custom column named My SKU as an additional line. I'll leave the value empty for now. I'm going to move this column up so it shows as the first column in our report. Now, let's add a filter for created at last 30 days, including today. This helps to reduce the amount of data DataChamp has to process and speeds up the report development. Of course, you can change this filter later to fit your specific needs. Next, let's click on Preview. We can already see the column My SKU as an additional line, but it's not filled in yet, and it's not creating an additional line. To add this behavior, let's go to the Rows tab and click Add Row. Now we'll choose before each line item, and start typing 2 curly braces. DataChamp will then suggest all available columns, and we'll choose line items : SKU. Let's take another look at the preview. As you can see, we now have an additional line showing the SKU of the line item for the 2 lines in the order in my test store. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. That's all for today. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.